If you want to stick an AirTag on something, then you probably need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I like using these AirTags. They're kind of nice for tracking stuff, especially your backpack or your golf bag, but a lot of people like them for luggage, and I can understand that because airlines lose a lot of luggage. I'm not sure how they do it. You just give your bag to a stranger and it shows up magically thousands of miles away. But a lot of times you don't want to just throw the AirTag in. You want to put it in something like this, a little case, a little clip-on, so that you can attach it to something and know where it is, put it inside, make sure that it's a permanent fixture to it. And this little AirTag package here was the cheapest one I could find. It was only a few bucks. And I think the difference with this is that they are kind of these clear little silicone or TPU type of covers. And I thought we'd check them out because I know I want to spend the least amount of money to be able to attach this to my luggage. So let's take a look. You can see we get a smoked color as well as a clear color, and they're pretty soft. So that's a little interesting. They are fully enclosed though. There's no opening, cut open or anything like that. So to open it up, I was assuming that it'll be the top, but what you might be able to see is that this back piece is overmolded, and so it's around the front piece, just like that, okay? So this side is smaller than this side, and the smaller side has a little bit of a lead that fits into the slot right there, okay? So what I think is that this back piece will go in there like that, and then this will kind of go in bottom first, just like this, and then you kind of push this around to get it in there. So you just have to kind of use your finger, I think. You might be able to put in the AirTag either way, all right? But then once you get up to the top here, now I can just use this little fairly robust, I like these bigger little carabiner loops, and that will go in there. And now I can clip this onto something. I don't have to worry about this falling out. But what I love about this, like I said, they're cheap. They were only a few bucks. I know a lot of us want it to look nice if you're hanging on something where you want to be able to see it. But for a lot of security purposes, you just want these simply hidden away inside a bag, inside the backpack, inside your luggage. And I think that these will do the job for you. So if you want to pick up this package of AirTag holders, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.